G in the game, 64 counts, 1 wall, phrased high intermediate level. Weight on the left. Part A, total 32 counts, 1 wall. Section 1, side right, touch behind, side. Sailor heel, press, recover sweep quarter, sailor step, facing 3. Section 2, cross, quarterback, half forward, facing 6. To the right diagonal, ball touch, hold. To the left diagonal, ball touch, ball step. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8. Part A, Section 3. Forward rock, recover quarter forward. Left shuffle into quarter side rock. Forward together, quarter side rock, recover. Cross side together. Section 4. Rock, recover into reverse full turn. Rock, recover quarter, quarter, half. Ball, point, hitch, together, point, hitch. That's the end of Part A. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Part B, total 32 counts, 1 wall. Section 1, step right. Right arm, draw a circle. Over 4 counts. Right index finger point up. Finish with weight on the left. Right hand rise up, down. Step right together. Right arm out, left arm out. B, Section 2. I show you the hand here. Use 2 index finger and 2 pinky. Make a W sign. The 2 index finger are overlapped. B, Section 2. Rise up the W sign over 2 counts above head. Rotate the hand. Fists down at hip level. 2 side touches. Side touch with snap. Side touch with snap. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, Section 3. Make a quarter turn step right facing 9 o'clock. Hands down body and look over right. 2 sway. Sway left, look forward. Sway right, look over right shoulder. Quarter forward, quarter side, quarter sailor step facing 12. Section 4. Step right to the side. Right hand, 3 fingers up, hold. 2 fingers forward, hold. 1 finger to the right, hold. Step together, 2 hands cross above head. Fist down hip level. That's the end of Part B. Count Part B, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5 hold 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5 hold 6, 7, 8.